Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily enable or disable dry pad after job on your Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus. So first, open the iRobot app and wait for everything to load. Now the next thing that you need to do is scroll down until you see product settings. And after you click it, click on dry pad after job. Here, as you guys can see, we have dry pad after job enabled, and if we want it disabled, simply tap on the switch. And as you guys can see, now it's disabled. But if it's disabled and you want to enable it, then simply tap on the switch. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.